Does anyone else get as excited to open boxes?
I do. The package that we're unboxing today is from Barsmith. This company has a bunch of high quality mixers. You can find them pretty much anywhere. Target,
Walmart,
Amazon,
Total Wines.
They're everywhere. We've never tried them before, so I'm really excited to try their mixers.
Something I really love already is that I read that these mixers are made by bartenders. So, you know, we're bartenders, so I trust them. I'm already like, I'm in.
So they sent us 4 of their top sellers. We've got their olive brine.
We have Paloma.
An old-fashioned mix.
Ooh, and this one I'm really excited about. They sent us the big boy. This is a hatch chili margarita mix.
I'm the most excited, I think, for that one.
Yeah.
I've seen so many margarita mix, but I've never seen a spicy margarita mix.
And I really like their bottles, like their label. Everything is super clean. It's really pretty. It's glass, not plastic.
Yeah,
That's great. It's honestly not that expensive. They're pretty reasonably priced, so that's good.
And they also say that they're non-GMO.
And gluten-free. Natural ingredients, I also read.
That's important. So all of these mixers came with a recipe on the side, which is super helpful, especially if you're a beginner. So we're gonna follow along their recipe.
We're gonna make the cocktails. I'll let you know if it's good or not.
So let's start with the dirty martini. 2.5 ounces of gin, and then we added 1/2 ounce of the Barsmith olive brine. I kind of want to add a little bit more though. Their recipe's just not enough. I mean, you know, I like it filthy.
Maybe a little more.
I love it, like extra. It smells good. It's salty. I think it's good.
As a bartender, I actually really love this because it makes it super simple for us. Usually you have to like strain out the olives and then we use that juice, but this just takes all the work out of it, you know? It's just very simple. You just pour it right from this bottle.
I love that for all the bartenders out there.
Yeah. Paloma mix. Okay, so this is also very simple. The only thing you have to add is tequila and soda water and this mix.
Cheers.
I like that.
She good. It's refreshing.
I like it.
It's a little bit sweeter than if you were to make a Paloma from scratch, but I'm not mad at it.
Yeah.
It tastes a little like candy, like if Paloma and candy came together and made a baby.
Yeah, it's really yummy. It's really yummy. There's 2 ounces of tequila in this.
Is there?
Yes,
She made
there
it,
are
I don't
2
know.
ounces of tequila in this, 2 ounces of this stuff, and just topped it off with soda. It was so simple. I was excited for this one and did not disappoint.
Okay, so their old-fashioned mix. This one is interesting to me because old-fashions are very simple to make. It's just bourbon, simple, bitters. You do a little orange peel garnish, that's it. So I'm just like, what is this?
What is in this?
What is in here?
What are the ingredients, actually?
So in here they have pure cane sugar, honey, natural flavors, colored with vegetable juice, citric acid, caramel color.
That's like not a classic old-fashioned. I think that would be a little remix to an old-fashioned.
Yeah.
But I'm intrigued and I want to taste it and see what it tastes like.
Agreed. We did add bourbon. Their recipe also says to add a dash of bitters and an orange wedge. We went with an orange peel because that's how we make our old fashions.
Cheers.
Cheers. It smells like an old fashioned.
It's good. It tastes like an old fashioned.
It tastes like an old fashioned.
Like exactly like an old fashioned. Yeah. It's pretty good.
Good.
Wow.
Okay.
I was like, honey.
I do taste the
Interesting.
honey. I taste the honey.
But it's good. Good job, bartenders.
They're approved.
Yeah. All right, now the most exciting part, the hatch chili margarita. I'm glad we have like this big container too. Can make endless margaritas.
Or
For the whole fam.
16 servings.
Exactly. Again, super simple to make. All you needed was this and tequila. That's it. We also added some salt because they told us to. So we said, yes, let's add some salt.
So in here, there's lemon juice, orange juice, hatch green chili, pepper extract, lime juice, cane sugar.
It sounds delicious.
I'm excited to try it.
Whee!
Okay. Oh.
I really like that. It is really good.
The pepper flavor is really strong. I like it.
It's not spicy. If you like a hint of spice, this is for you.
It has like the tiniest little kick.
Like in the back of your throat for a second.
Literally in
and
the
then
back
it's
of your
gone.
throat.
And then it's gone. But the flavor is fantastic. I love it.
It's sweet.
Uh-huh.
It's very sweet too.
I actually want to squeeze my lime into this.
Yeah, I would do that for sure.
Yeah. And I really like the salt moment. Like that. This is fire.
It's perfect for a party when you just want to run out and grab like 2 things, you know?
Yeah.
Because, you know, we be getting extra. I made strawberry margaritas the other day.
I'm like in the kitchen like,
Throwing parties is a lot of work. So if there's something kind of crafty and fun and you want to make something quick, that's good.
Yeah, and like people are always expecting the most out of us, and it's just like, man, we just want to party sometimes. We just want to enjoy our time too, you know what I mean? So if you're a hostess, you're throwing a party, get yourself some bottled chili margarita mix. You can make margaritas all night long. You don't have to squeeze a million limes. Like this is thirsty AF approved.
Yeah, I love how easy it is.
So simple.
2 ingredients.
That's it.
So which of these 4 was your favorite?
This one.
The hatch chili?
Yeah, for sure.
I'm gonna say the same.
Yeah. And then second runner-up is the Paloma.
My second fave, I would say the old fashioned. Shout out to Barsmith for making cocktail crafting easy.
Yeah, cheers to you. Cheers to that.